Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and as usual, thank you so much for your continued support. Now today we are in Newport, Manchester, in Mandeville, and we're at Miss Wendy's house. So the last time you saw us, we were here digging the foundation. So today we are here to do the casting of the foundation, and it would have taken us a little time to do this because, since it's the last time you saw us, it would have taken us a little time to do this because we're straightening out some challenges that we had, mostly with the material, because it has to be transported from the road where it was delivered. And secondly, Miss Wendy sometimes is not available. She really is not here today and won't be in this video because she does live in work and is unavailable, but nonetheless we are here. All right, so as we go through, we will show you bits and pieces of our progress today. Guys, also please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be notified. All right, and I want to also use the opportunity to say thank you to everyone who is on board as it relates to Miss Wendy's project. Thank you so much, because without you it could not have been possible. So we are thanking you for your kind of support. All right, so you'll see what we do as we go along.
When a person there, this is what they not got no parlor. Then put them out of door from piece night dew, yes. And put an iron pan them. Put iron for them stomach. And a feed them bury them. Yeah man, okay. No problem, no problem. And then they mold up grave. You know, dig the hole like this and throw them in it and mold it and put flowers on top of it. Yeah. So enough of them place how you see your walk right now. Agree if you walk and you don't know. I said no, we see them a build I said late you see them a build support on him something there. So them tell them dumpy it there. But no dumpy not because them a cramp and ice now.
They're still there.
They know sir.
But you can't see them.
Yeah, I don't know when you can't see.
Me don't see them at all.
They don't know use technology.
They cramp and ice man.
A technology don't play that.
Technology man. When they got links, man, they follow them, check them up man, so they can't come out again.
I don't want to look here again.
Rasta, give me a shot up.
Sure? Very hot, so come. You have to move up and down so they don't bite you. Yeah? And what do you?
Come. Here, man. 1, 2. 3. Come here. 3. Come up there. That's a nice too much down. Because you step up start and step up go.
catch him back forward. That's two times. Come on. Stop.
Concrete.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, watch that. What is that watch, man? So if you come on this side.
Who does a black car? Who there? Now there's a black car. Call boat round there. Yes, a truck two and go. What time is it? You can't see the one. Oh, yes, it's not there. I want to get in it. How you go? Hey. Won't work that big thing. Stop there. Yes, that may one. Yes. Easy. Yeah, tell her, don't go. More on that corner.
You can't keep on your finger and tell her that. That's why this one come. There's 4 for you.
Stretch out till I fall off.
Throw stones.
Well, yo, go on, son.
Oh, now come up.
Step on in the door. Yeah, can you go? Put your water there. Put your water. Bingo. I'm trying to get the knife.
Now step up right there, son. Right, that's a knife. Right, that's a knife. Brick. One brick. Never get that one, they good. When they mash up your head.
No.
Sit here, princess. Sit here.
Aye.